Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Yes, I'm covering up this t-shirt because it's my favorite and you all see it so many times. Yes, do not mess with me. Food 24/7. Anyways, this is my anniversary video. 1 year. 1 year ago, on May 17th, I started YouTube. And that's when my first video was. And if you like, I'm going to put up here the link to my first video, and then you can see big difference in me. My personality now comes out more, where in the beginning it was a little bit boring because I didn't know what to do. I didn't realize how much sound there was, but it was a tour of my galley, the boat that I was on at the time, and it was lots of pictures of the food I make. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out that link, and then you can see the big difference. And then as you go to that video, go back into some of my playlists too, or just go start from the beginning. Do a binge watch. You'll see a big difference on as I learned how to edit videos, as I started out with a camera on my phone, the issues I had with my camera on my phone, then got another camera. Wait a minute, first thing I got a GoPro. I don't think I got any videos out on that one. Oh well, that was money wasted on that one. I bought cheap, get what you pay for. Then I went to another camera, had a lot of focusing issues with that one. It was doing an autofocus, and there was even a little bit of a lint on that lens. It focused in on that, would not focus on anything else. Process of learning. Okay, now here I've got newer equipment, and I've been doing more videos, doing more outside, getting more pictures and everything else. My next big purchase, I'm going to be getting rid of this Android phone. Now I'm trying to decide between a Samsung, I think it's a 10 Plus, or iPhone 11 Pro. So I'm going to ask you all people, what would you choose? Now I know I got some Mac users and I've got some Android users. So, but now the question is, if I go to the iPhone, will it be compatible with that? That is a Windows 10 Chromebook. I've got to have it compatible to be able to transfer videos back and forth and pictures. So if there's going to be an issue, please let me know before I spend all that money. Because I want to be able to do something like this. I was going to get a GoPro. Matter of fact, I did order a GoPro 8. Oh boy, I found out from I think 3 other people that was a bad decision. So I turned around and I sent it back. Now if I get a GoPro, or put it this way, any other little small camera, GoPro, I think it's an Osmosis or something like that, give me your opinions, because I'm in the shopping mood and I want to be able to get that as well if I can. So I need some advice especially from all you YouTubers, what you use and what you would recommend. And it's a possibility down the road here, in probably around, I'd say September, I'm also going to be looking for a drone to be able to take with me out on the boat and be able to do aerial shots all around, especially when they're doing tow work. Wouldn't that be awesome? But so I need to find one that's going to be easy to use, and it will track me, it will come back to me, because I don't need it landing in the water. So please let me know. This is the next plans for the next year. Alright, I'm also going to make another announcement too. And this all goes according to plans if the plans work out. Everybody knows that RV Rebel Girl and I are really good friends. So we have decided that we're going to go to Lollapalooza together. We're going to camp together. Once we find out if we're going to have Lollapalooza, I just talked to Lola last night, and she says it's still up in the air, but she will make that announcement as soon as the parks start taking reservations. So, with that said, as of right now, that's the plans. Then afterwards, it all depends on Jamie from the van build. Whether van build or not, RV Rebel Girl and I, we're going to travel together to Arizona for a month. So all you people out there in Arizona that I know and come to love and you wanting to meet up with me, I'm going to be in the area as it stands right now. Again, plans could change, orders could change, things can happen. So we'll see what happens, but as it stands, that's the plans. So it's going to be another big year. Right now I'm at 700 subscribers. Let's get me up to 1,000 people and 40,000, no, not 40,000, 4,000 hours of views. I think I got 2,600 hours of views. So I need to have that to get some live streams going again while I'm out on the river, especially when I spend 3 months out here like I'm doing this time. These premieres, I'm sorry, they suck. Because it's at the last minute I almost have to decide whether or not I'm going to have service. Almost didn't make it to this last one. I got another one planned for this coming Sunday, but now that I'm on the upper river, the service is really erratic up here, so it may be postponed, and it may be postponed at the last minute. But right now it stands, it's going to be scheduled for Sunday at 4:30 p.m. I want to thank you all for supporting me this whole last year as well. It's been great. It's been fun. I've met quite a few of you, become good friends with quite a few of you, and I've enjoyed every minute of it. I enjoy making these videos. They are lots of fun. Yes, it can be frustrating, but you know what? I like the end results. You all seem to like the end results. You all don't mind me being my quirky self and silly self and saying, oh, hell with it, let's just run it the way it is. Hey, I'm keeping it real, right? Isn't that what you want? Well, it's going to continue, and it might even get more funnier. Now, I did make an announcement at my last premiere. Some of you probably missed it. In that premiere, right before this, I think it was a sunset. God, I still can't remember the sunset or sunrise. Sunrise. That's what it was. Yes, sunrise. Okay. Anyways, that announcement is this. I have a challenge for all my subscribers that have 4-legged babies or 2-legged babies. So fur, feather, however you want to call them, hairless, whatever you have. Either make a video clip or send a picture, and in the video clip they can either be you can use a different voice for them or put a closed caption on it, making some type of comment, whether it be funny, sarcastic, serious, anything that has to do with my videos. Let's have fun with that. If it's pictures, you send them to my email address, which is listed in the description here. And if you don't know how to do any of these captions, just let me know what you want me to say in those captions for either the picture or the video, and I will install the captions for you. And of course, I will put up a little thing up the side. Who is the owner? Now, if you don't want to be recognized as the owner, just say so, and that's fine too. But let's have some fun with it. I want to be able to have a good, fun, funny, serious, quirky video about our 4-legged babies and or our 2-legged babies. Alright? And I appreciate every one of you. By the way, I give credit to Tanya for this idea. She sent me a picture. She has her big screen in the background. Her dog is standing there just watching me on the video. She says anytime she turns on my video, her dog comes running and stops and watches the whole thing. So and I thought, what a great idea. Alright people, again, thank you all for your support. It's been fun, and it's still going to be more fun for the next year. And you have an awesome, awesome day. I'll catch you either down the road or down the river, or even where I'm at right now, I'm going up the river. Alright, you all have a great day. Bye-bye.